Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I will be showing you how you can enable dark mode on your iOS 6, 7, 8 and 9 devices, and also you can enable full screen gesture. So to enable dark mode and full screen gesture you must need to jailbreak your device. As you can see, I have already jailbroken, and as you can see I am running dark mode on my iPhone 4s, and let me show you which version I'm running. So as you can see I'm running iOS 9.3.6 and it's running dark mode. So how I did that, so first of all let me show you the full screen gesture. As you can see, if I drag from the bottom from the screen and it's go to the home, and also if I drag from this side it will show me the multitasking. You can see also if I drag from this side it will go back. As you can see here, it will go back. So how I did that, first of all you go to your cydia app store, and if it asks you to update, then just update it and fully complete update, and then use for the dark mode you search Eclipse, ECLIP as Eclipse. So as you can see it's dependent on which version of iOS you are running. So as I am running iOS 9 right now, so I have downloaded the iOS 9 Eclipse. As you can see I have already downloaded iOS 9 Eclipse. Also you can do it in iOS 10 too. As you can see here there is a Eclipse for iOS 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10, so you can do that. And as I have already downloaded the Eclipse 9 for my iOS 9. And if you are running iOS 6, there is no Eclipse for iOS 6. So what you have to do is there is a theme which you can find in you can go to the source and big boss, just go to the complete theme. So if you go to the source, and if you have to go to the themes complete, and you have to download this theme which is called I made a V5. This one will work in iOS 6, and this will bring a somewhat dark mode in your iOS 6, but not like Eclipse. So how to set up the Eclipse? So to set up the Eclipse, you have to, after installing the Eclipse, you can go to your setting app and you will find Eclipse there, and there you have to enable it. And there are many modes, so then you have to enable the Eclipse application. So I have, as you can see, I have enabled every application here, and you have to enable. And also you can change the color. As you can see I am using in the status bar the orange color. You can change it from here, so I can make it yellow or red, it's up to you. And also you can change the theming. I am using midnight, so it's quite dark, but if you press the night one and it will more grayish, and you also have many more settings options. You can take whatever you want, it's depend on you. So then you have to just respring, and it will do it everything for you. Then now as you done the dark mode in your device, so if you want to get the full screen gesture on your device, then you have to do one more thing. So you have to download one more. As you can see, when I choose yellow, it's become yellow right now. And also the tint color is still orange, so you can change it to, you can make it yellow too, it's never mind. Then for full screen gesture, what you have to do is just go to cydia again, then download app called Activator. So go to search Activator. As you can see I have already downloaded Activator. So after downloading that, you will find the Activator app in the setting here. So if you go to Activate setting, you will get here. Then you have to press anywhere and go down, and you will get a slide in gesture. So as you can see, from screen to the bottom, okay, as you can see, drag into the screen from the below. So as you can see, I have selected home button, although it's not showing properly, but I have selected home button, and from the left side I have selected activity switcher, and from the right side I have selected back. So you have to do that too, and you will get full screen gesture on your device. Also there are many more settings, like three tap finger gesture. If you press with the 3 finger, it will take a screenshot. If you press and hold the status bar, it will turn off the screen. Like as you can see, you will get it from here. Let me show you. As you can see, double press or sleep button and control everything. You can discover yourself. You can build your own gesture. So and as I am doing right now, if I press from this side, it will go back. As you can see, back. And if I drag from the left side, multitasking, and if I do it from the button, and it will go to the home. So that's it, like a as you get it in iPhone X and later versions, but we don't have the navigation wheel here, but still it's better than nothing. So hopefully I have explained everything properly, and thank you very much for watching. See you next time.